welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in for a new video. We're just going to jump right into it. I'm showing you everything that needs to be done downstairs. It's a little hectic, and let's get right into it. I'm finishing off these dishes from the day before and the dishes that we made that day, and trying to get them all done, get this kitchen cleaned up.
It's not a matter. Under neon bright lights when I see you dancing on the Polaroids. Just wanna have a good time, don't you? It all goes low, low, low. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Dressed in cigarette smoke, is it the print you wanna leave behind? Get all those cold eyes cold looking, but saying bye, bye, bye. I don't wanna talk before the moment slowly slips away. Get a little dirty, baby, nothing you ain't gonna take, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't.
I also cleaned out my coffee pot. I don't know about you guys, but I love a clean coffee pot. So I clean my coffee pot like once a month. I cannot stand a dirty coffee pot.
Gonna lose ya. Was it hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Yeah, yeah. Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Hot, 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 hot for you, baby love? Hot for you, baby love? Yeah, yeah. Fire burning like I do under my tattoos. There's a remedy, 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 yeah. And the way you go, baby, don't you know? There's a remedy, 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 yeah. Yeah, there's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Oh no. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. There's a remedy, remedy, yeah. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. I'm gonna do that. Darling Palooza, ain't gonna lose ya. It's the remedy, remedy, yeah.
So this is the next morning. I had like 2 loads of laundry, so I had to hurry up and fold that. You know what it is. I'm always having laundry to fold, so we're getting into that.
A million people in the crowd, but I only see your face in all the lights. And as the bass keep pounding on me, baby, I really wanna make you mine. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes city dancing through the night, but I'm not there. You've got me soaring in the clouds. And as the ocean is surrounding me, baby, I'm sure we lost track of time. I don't really care about love. I don't really care about happy ever afters. Something about you gives me hope. Something about you, yeah. When the sun goes down and the night sky's falling, do you believe in one-time lovers? 'Cause deep inside of my wildest dreams, you'll be by my side. When the sun goes down.
And then our son came in and had me check his homework because he was done. So I'm taking a break from laundry and helping him out with his homework. And you can see him dancing in the background. He literally dances to anything. And he literally cracks me up with that.
Find time, just want the mood to be right. Keeping it low in the night, yeah. So long, Since I get a glimpse of a light, it's blurring out my eyes. We should open up a window. I can't see clear. Is I know out the window, the window. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Giving her compliments, I'm yours if you need a friend, yeah, yeah. Fake one, staying out till the end. Yeah, I know how to play pretend. Tell me, how do I get inside? Open up your mind. In this I know how to win a fight, to win a fight. Cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habits, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Get it right, I still have you on my side, staying night after night. Cause you're mine, cause it's just my habit, and I can't describe it. And she can talk about it like it's magic, the way that she loves my habits. Just my habit, and I can't describe it. My habits.
Okay guys, so we're reaching the end of this video. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video, and I hope you guys are getting cleaning motivation out of this. I'm going to try to think of different things that I can do on this channel. I'm not really sure what else I want to do yet. It's still in the works. But I do have a posting schedule. I will be posting videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so please turn on your notifications and get tuned for that. Thank you guys so much again for even watching my videos. I really do appreciate it, and please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and let people know that I'm making these videos. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.